Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is search button. So click this is search button, then type, then click on enter your model number of your motherboard H310M S2P and then hit enter. Then click on product. After that you can see this. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is required Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So I show you in the Windows 11, but if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, you just see this video and you can install. This is very simple step. So first audio driver. So audio driver install. Try to install this one HD audio and driver. Okay, and then click to download. So it is downloading. Start you can, and first download all the video all the drivers. After that try to install. Okay, so then chipset and Intel INF installer and click to download. len len driver, and this is len driver, and just click to download. And VGA graphic card VGA driver, and just click download. And you can see this downloading options. The all driver is downloading. So wait few seconds, it is completed. After that you can click on this icon. So when you click on this icon now, after that you come on directly this download folder where it is your downloading. Okay, and after that try to install. First complete it. Now you can see this is all the downloaded driver. So first select one, then extract all, and then same locations, then click on extract. First close all, extract. After that try to install, then select this one, right click, extract all, because sometime in extract and real in raw file is not find some system, so that means you getting some issues. And last one, graphic card. So last five, this is driver and this is extracted, so this is not need, delete it. Okay, so first this driver Realtek, open it, open folder, then find out setup. So this is your setup, just right click to run as administrator. Otherwise if you're 10, so show more and then click on administrator. run as administrator. After that, click on yes. Now you can see this installations window. Now like that, audio driver. Okay, then click next. So it will complete it. You will show yes, you want to restart computer, so select no, I will restart later. Finish, because you have a more driver also required. Okay, come to back. Now this one updated chipset driver. Open this. Then you can see this is setup of chipsets. Always run setup. Okay, right click, run as administrator, otherwise Windows 10. So more, and then click to run as administrator. Click yes. Next, accept, and click on install. Now this is install, and it will complete it, and just close it. Then next, back. Then third, open. This is also for chipset, and run as administrator. Click on yes. Oh, this is LAN driver. So it will close automatic, means this is installed. And it will take some time to install, and depend about your system. So it is closed, means install. Now second, open. Double click to open. Then right click to run as administrator, show more, and then run as administrator. This asking for administrator rights, so click on yes. So finish it, then back. Okay, so all driver it is installed. Then guys, all completed. After that, restart your system. Thank you.